welcome to this month's Cubit Network's Not-for-Profit Spotlight. Today I am here with Bill Harmon, the Executive Director of Sharing Meadows, funded by the Share Foundation, and Carol, who's a villager here at Sharing Meadows. So thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you.
So Bill, tell us a little bit about Sharing Meadows.
Yeah, so Sharing Meadows exists to serve adults with intellectual disabilities. So we have 185 acres of property, 15 homes. In each home is 2 adults with an intellectual disability. They have their own bedroom, they share a bathroom with a housemate, and then they have a live-in caregiver. So 30 residents altogether. And this is a community, so they all live here and work here. And so through the workday, Monday through Friday, they get up and go to work just like all of us.
Yep.
And they make soap and weave dish towels, and they are the ones that take care of the 185 acres of land. So they're out there on riding lawnmowers and tractors and weeding in front of their houses. And Carol's got a pumpkin patch that she takes care of, that she provides a pumpkin for every person. And so and it's a faith-based community, so a Christian non-denominational nonprofit. So we all gather every morning to pray and to be able to worship the Lord and just grow as a community and
awesome.
have friends, together.
So Carol, how do you like living out here?
I like living out here.
Yeah.
It's like when I was living at my parents, I didn't, I was still a loner. I still, back then I didn't have a choice of being a loner.
Right.
And it's like sometimes I had to hang around with my older sister.
Right.
And
now you got a pumpkin patch.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tell me about your pumpkin patch.
Well, it's about I got a picture.
It's pretty big though. It's
Yeah,
it's a
pretty
large,
big.
like a garden.
Just-
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not just big.
Okay.
And it's got a lot of weeds in there now, so you don't want to see them now.
You got a little work to do.
Yeah, I do. And I try to get out there, and every time rain.
Rain in, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, how about do you make soap?
No.
No? Do you do the looming over next door?
Yeah, I read next door, and then this year I'm doing the garden.
Oh, okay.
The big one.
Yeah.
And so.
That's very, very cool.
It's like a promotion.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And something cool about the garden that, Carol, I don't even know if you know about this, but when we're growing lettuce and different things, and through our cooking class, we're actually going to have a little bit of a farm to fork for all of the villagers' families. So they'll be invited and eat some of the produce that we grew in our garden that you now learned how to prepare and stuff through our cooking class. So
that's amazing.
Yeah, it's kind of fun.
Cool. So this has been here for a little bit over 40 years, correct?
Correct, yep.
Started in 1982?
Founded in 1982, purchased the property in 1990, and the first homes went up in the early 90s.
Wow, that's awesome.
Yep.
That's awesome. So if people wanted to find out more about Sharing Meadows, where would they do that? Do you have a website, Facebook, all the above?
All the above, yep. Sharefoundation.org, and then we're Share Foundation on Facebook. We have a Facebook, an Instagram, a LinkedIn, working on a YouTube channel.
Okay.
But yeah, a great place to find us is sharefoundation.org.
And if people want to help, what are some avenues for them to do that?
Absolutely. So we have a plethora of opportunities to volunteer out here at Share. So if you want to volunteer with your time, we have our education program that we're always looking for individuals to help with through our math class, literacy. You would partner up with some of our villagers to work with them, to read with them. We have an art class, so all through our whole education program, we have plenty of grass that could be cut if you want to volunteer in that way. We also have a camp program that we're always looking for counselors. It's an overnight camp for adults with disabilities, and so Friday to Sunday, you could come be a counselor, be a cook, be a nurse. And then also on the workday, come and make soap with Carol or weaving with Carol. And so if you have a talent, we'll certainly put it put it to good use.
Awesome.
Yeah. Yep.
And then I'm assuming, like most not-for-profits, you're also money, right? So people
Sure.
can donate, right? They
Yep.
find that out on your website, I'm sure.
Absolutely. Yep. We have 4 major fundraisers, and our biggest fundraiser is the leprechaun hunt.
Yep.
Always the first Sunday of August, right here on this beautiful 185 acres of land.
Awesome.
So come on out. Yep.
Is
It's
that fun, Carol?
Oh, we,
The leprechaun hunt? Yeah?
yeah, I used to have to work all the time, but since Bill came,
Yeah.
he gave us, we didn't have to do the garbage.
Okay.
Maybe do the washing once,
Yeah.
but but before he came, he had to do the garbage.
What's your favorite part though? Like what kind of food do you like to eat at the leprechaun hunt? Because there's a lot of it.
Oh yeah, hamburgers.
Hamburgers?
Uh-huh.
You know what, Carol?
Corn on the cob.
I love both of those things too. You can't beat a good hamburger or a good piece of corn on the cob.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
And ice cream.
Yeah. Everyone loves ice cream.
We still have it.
Yeah.
Popsicles from
Yeah.
the last one.
That's awesome. Well, Carol and Bill, thank you so much for being with us today. I really appreciate your time and the good work you guys do out here. It's really a blessing. And so you're located in Rolling Prairie,
Rolling
Indiana,
Prairie, yep.
which is pretty close to LaPorte, where I like to say our worldwide headquarters is located.
Yeah.
But it's a beautiful rolling hills up here in Rolling Prairie, and it's real nice. So thank you so much again for being with us, and thanks to everybody for watching. Wave goodbye there. All right, see ya.